Hello and welcome to my channel Mayura. I'm Kevin. This evening I'll guide you through a Yoga Nidra practice, Stargazing on a Cloud. Get ready for this Yoga Nidra practice by making yourself comfortable, lying down on your bed with your arms resting by your sides, your palms facing up, and your feet flopping out to the sides. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Now slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Feel your body sinking into the bed beneath you, heavy and still. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this moment of deep rest. Bring your awareness to your heart. Set an intention for this practice, a simple phrase or feeling you wish to cultivate, such as peace, surrender, or stillness. Silently repeat it to yourself, allowing it to settle within you like a gentle whisper. Now bring your awareness to your right hand. Feel your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Feel it relax completely. Now shift your awareness to your left hand. Feel your thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky, the palm of your hand, your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Let it soften completely. Now bring your attention to your feet, your right foot, your left foot, your legs, hips, lower back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, your neck, jaw, cheeks, forehead, eyes, the tip of your nose, your lips, and finally the crown of your head. Your entire body is at ease, melting into stillness. Now turn your attention to your breath. Feel it flowing naturally in and out, like gentle waves on the shore. With each exhale, let go a little more, releasing tension, releasing effort, surrendering completely to rest. All of a sudden, with each breath, you become lighter, as if gravity is loosening its hold. A quiet ease spreads through you, and without effort, you begin to lift. Slowly, gently, your body rises from the bed. The room fades below as you levitate toward the ceiling. There is no resistance, just a quiet sense of movement, as if the air itself is carrying you. Your body, now transparent, passes through the ceiling, drifting upward, leaving the room behind. The night air greets you, cool and open. The world stretches below, quiet and distant. Higher and higher you ascend, floating above rooftops, above trees, above everything familiar. The night sky is vast and deep, a sea of endless dark blue, speckled with stars that glow softly, steady and ancient. A billow of luminous clouds appears beneath you, soft and inviting. You lower onto it, sinking just enough to be held in its gentle embrace. It is weightless, like resting on air, but solid enough to cradle you in perfect comfort. From here, you gaze out at the night sky. Stars shimmer in every direction, their light steady and endless. Some flicker, some glow with a quiet pulse, and for a moment, time seems to stand still, as if nothing exists but this stillness. There is no rush, no demands, just the vastness of the universe and the quiet rhythm of your breath. You stay here as long as you need, resting, watching, feeling the peace settle deep into your bones. And then, when you are ready, You feel a gentle pull downward. The fluffy cloud releases you, and you begin to drift back the way you came. Slowly you descend. The stars remain above, watching. The earth rises to meet you, familiar and safe. You float back down through the sky, lower and lower, until you slip effortlessly into your room. Your bed welcomes you, warm and steady beneath you. You sink into it as if returning from a long journey. Your body feels heavier now, solid and relaxed, but your mind still holds that quiet vastness, that stillness of the stars. You take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Feel the weight of your body resting completely. And when you are ready, let yourself drift into deep sleep.